How to fake location on Life360. So if you want to fake a location or if you want to change the location on Life360, then first you need to just open up your Life360 application. After opening your application, now you need to just go with a location, any location that you're comfortable with. For example, I'll just simply select this one. Once you tap on the location and once you selected the location, you need to go with your control center. And from your control center, you need to turn on your airplane mode. Once you turn on your airplane mode, it will turn off your network connection. And once you turn off your network connection, you just need simply go back, remove it, and you need to open up your settings. Under settings, you need to scroll down, go with the apps. Under apps, you need to tap on Life360. And now you need to go with storage and cache. And after that, clear cache. After clearing your cache, you need to go back, go with your permission. Under permission, select your location, and here you can go with ask every time, or you can also select don't allow. And after that, you can just go back and launch your Life360 and your fake location will be added. So that's how you can change your location on Life360, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.